I, the time traveler, for so it it will he convented to speak of him was expounding a recorded matter to use his gary eyes son and twinkle and his usually pale fact was flashed and animated. The fire burned brightly, and the soft returns of the incandescent light in the lids of Salberry caught the bubbles and that flash and passed in or glasses or chairs pick his patents impress and carried us rather than supported to be sad bound and there was the like us after dinner atmosphere when through rooms gravely fire of the drums tremors of fractions and he found but he hit to us in the this way marking the points with a learned forefinger as we sat and lazily admired his earnest over this new product as we thought it and his factly you must follow me careful shall it shall to convert one or two ideas that are almost university accepted the geometry for instance the thought you at school is founded on a Micron expansion it not that rather a large thing to expect but us to begin open said feebly an argumentative person with red hair I do not mean to ask you to accept accept anything without reasonable ground for it. You will soon admit as such as I need for you now of sorts that a mathematical line a line of thickness NIL has no real excellence. They thought you that neither has a mathematical plan. These things are mere abstentions. That is all right, said the pas- physiologist, nor having only lacked breath and thickness. Can a cup have a real excellence? Their object said Philpe of sorts a salt body may exceed all real things. So most people think, but wait, a movement can an instantaneous cue exit don't follow you said Philpe. Can a cube that does not last for any time at all have a real excellence Philpe become pensive. Clearly, the time traveler proceeded. Any real body must have extension in four direction. It must have learned breadth, thickness, and transition, but throughout a tunnel infirmity of the flesh will, which I will explain to you in a moment. We inclines to our look this fact. There are really four dimensions, the three which we call the three planes of space that and a fourth time there is however a tendency to throw an unreal distinction between the former three dimensions and the latter there because it happens that our constituents move with intermittently in one direction along the latter. From that said a very young man making abstract efforts to relate his care over the lamp that every very clear intent. Now it is very remarkable that this is so extensively overlooked. Continued the time traveler with a slight exception of cheerfulness. Really, this is what is meant by the fourth dimension. Through some people who talk about the fourth dimension who do not know they mean it is one and other way of looking at the time. There is no difference between time and any of the three dimensions of space, expand, death, or consciousness moves all along it. But some foolish people have got hold of the warning side of that idea. You have all heard what they have to say about these fourth dimensions. I have not said the provincial may, or it is simply this that space has or mathematics. It it is it is simply this this that space has or mathematics have it is spoken of as having three dimensions which one may call length, breadth, and thickness, and is always definably definable by reference to three three planes each at right right angles to the other, but some political people have been asking why three dimensions, particularly why not another direction at right angles to the other three, and have even tried to construct a four dimensions geometry. Professor Simon New Newcomb was expounding this to the New York Mathematical Society only a month or so ago. You now have on a flat surface which has only two dimensions. We can represent figure of a three-dimensional solid, and simply they think that by modulus of three dimensions they could represent one of four if they could master the perspective of the things see. It thinks so. Murmured the practical Meyer, and Quentin kind thing his brows he lopes it into an introspective state, his lips moving as one who repeats my strict words. Yes, I think I see it now, he said after something breathing in a quiet, transitory manner. Well, I do not mean telling you I have meant at work. Open this, you, you come try of four dimensions for some time. Some of my result are correction for instance, here is portrait of a man at 8, 8 years old, another at 15, another at 17, another at 23 and 23, and so on. All these are eventually section has it where three-dimensional representation of his fourth dimension, between which is a expected and unalterable things. Scientific people proceeded the time traveler after the press request for the proper assimilators of this. Now very will that time is on 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 lay a kind of space is a popular scientific diagram. A weather record this line I track will with my finger shows the movement of the barometer. Yesterday it was so high. Yesterday night it will. Then this morning it rose again, and so gently upward to here. Sadly, the Mercury did not track this line in any of dimensions of space generally recognized, but apparently it tracked such a line, and that line therefore we must conclude was along the time dimensions. But said the medical man, starting hard at a call in the fire, if time really one a fourth dimensions of space, why is it, and why has it all waves been recorded as some things different, and why cannot we move in time as we move about in the other dimensions of space? The time traveler splendid, are you sure we can move freely in space, right?